Guys, we have a special SEMA announcement, another SEMA reveal. I know it's annoying, but we just got this partnership last minute. Excited to see what this is. If you can see out here, this came overnight from the UK. And this is my guy. Plays tunes, we love DHL. This guy's classy too, because look at that hat. I love it. Listen to this. Hey!
I just, important thing here. Well, all your stuff is important, right?
Thank you.
Thanks, man. Have a great day, guys.
You too. That's my dude. That's a little teaser. What would that have to do with? Let's open her up. So we just got our Eventuri intake delivered. I spoke with the owners, Bilal and Imran, just a week ago about this. This is their first piece off of their manufacturing line. Now we've used Eventuri on a lot of exotic and European applications. They make probably one of the best looking, best performing air intake systems in the world in the European market. So we're really excited to see what this is going to look like. This is obviously some of our carpet. Well, this is a pretty cool piece right here. So what Eventuri has done is they've built their own polycarbonate window. So that you can actually see the carbon intake, because in the back of the C8, obviously it's covered with carpet and then a black plastic piece, so you wouldn't be able to see this if you didn't have this. Oh yeah, and here's a little added bonus that we didn't tell you guys about. They wanted us to also debut their all carbon Eventuri intake cover, which is really nice. Full carbon piece. The big dog. There's a lot of pieces to this intake because it is bigger. It does have a bracket system that we're going to have to install. And Bilal sent us over a pretty lengthy list of instructions, so I think there'll be a bit of a learning curve for us as we put this on as well. Wow. So there it is, and if you look in there, look how big those cone filters are. But I mean, a stunning piece. Look at the carbon. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but the carbon weave is all matched perfectly. There's no distortion. And this is really what Eventuri is known for. Basically an OE quality fit finish piece. Also, the finishing on everything is just immaculate, which this is what we would expect when we see a part from Eventuri. So really excited they saw the opportunity in the C8 market, and that they chose our car to kind of debut this on. So let's get everything opened up, and we'll kind of take inventory of it. Dave will take some shots of it, and then we'll start to assemble it in the car. So we just finished unboxing our Eventuri C8 air intake system, the first one in the world. Really exciting to see that piece. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take out the stock air box and replace this. Now the Eventuri system is bigger, also has room for 2 big cone filters on the inside of it. It also has that really cool polycarbonate rear glass piece that we're gonna cut our carpet and make that so it's kind of a centerpiece back here. So we're gonna bring the intake over here, start taking this one apart, and then we'll bring it all together and show you guys what that looks like once it's installed and before we put the glass in. This is the Eventuri C8 Corvette intake system. And my head isn't abnormally small, but if you can't tell, this is a big dual cone setup that we're just gonna get put in the car right now. I think we've got a day until the car has to be picked up. So we're gonna take our time, put this in right, and show you guys what that looks like. So we'll time lapse it. You can kind of see us fast forward through it. Probably take us about an hour. And when we're done, we'll show you what it looks like inside of there. And when she's all buttoned up, you'll see what it looks like with the plexi window. So let's get this big bad boy on there and make some power. And as you guys can see, after about an hour's worth of work, it went in really smooth and easily. Everything was made, I mean, extremely high quality as expected from Eventuri. If you could just tell from the brackets and the way they reuse factory fasteners and the way everything just kind of slides in there, that's the type of intake that we would use on the car just because fit, finish, everything kind of matches. And I mean, zoom in there, Justin, take a look. It's hard to argue with that. It looks amazing. So we're gonna consider this a wrap for now. We'll put the plexi cover on later along with our carpet and then show you everything all buttoned up, but super pumped with this install. Shout out to Eventuri for getting this to us in time and looking forward to seeing everybody at SEMA and letting you guys take a look at the first one.